2. Clap your hands, yes, it's true. 2 times 2 is 4. Knock, knock, open the door. 2 times 3 is 6. Add some rhythm to the mix. 2 times 4 is 8. Count it up, it sounds so great. 2, 4, 6, 8. Math is fun, it feels so great. Clap your hands and sing with me. The 2 times table is easy as can be. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's all shout it out again. 2 times 6 is 12. Stack the numbers on the shelf. 2 times 7 is 14. Jump around and keep it clean. 2 times 8 is 16. Brightest math you've ever seen. 2 times 9 is 18. Say it loud, keep it keen. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times